Welcome to Thomas Top 5, where we highlight our most popular recent stories. DragonFire, a new laser-directed energy weapon, recently underwent testing. The laser can hit a target at the speed of light, and its aim is comparable to striking a coin from slightly more than half a mile away. With more testing, DragonFire could prove to be a cost-effective substitute for missiles and revolutionize the battle space. In other news, as space becomes more and more crowded around Earth, companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Northrop Grumman are working on technology to haul satellites between orbits more easily. Once fully developed, the technology, coined orbital transfer vehicles, could help establish a new space economy. What do these vehicles look like? Check out our recent video to find out. In the automotive industry, Volkswagen announced plans to develop an artificial intelligence lab. According to the company, future vehicles will rely heavily on AI for in-car navigation, entertainment, speech recognition, EV charging, and predictive maintenance. This week, we also explored the journey of John Deere, from plow to high-tech powerhouse. John Deere has historically been known for its farm equipment, but it's quickly become a pioneer of advanced technologies like fully autonomous tractors and a satellite-based communications network. We explored what makes John Deere such a dominant force and what the future holds for the company. Finally, blockchain has been a buzzword for a couple of years, but what exactly is it? Many of us still don't fully understand how it works, even though the technology has the manufacturing sector and supply chain by storm. We detailed how 5 industry leaders are using blockchain and how the technology paved the way for a new version of the internet. For more industrial news and trends, head to thomasnet.com/insights. I'm Megan Conniff, and this is Thomas Top 5.